Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT Fun. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device and that your wallet is properly set up and funded. Next, open the Trust Wallet application and navigate to the D-App browser. This built-in browser is essential for interacting with decentralized applications like Treasure NFT Fun directly from your wallet. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Once in the D-App browser, type the official URL for Treasure NFT Fun into the search bar and press Enter. The platform will load, and you'll typically see a Connect Wallet button. Tap this button, and Trust Wallet will prompt you to confirm the connection. Always review the details before approving. After confirmation, your Trust Wallet should be successfully linked, and your wallet address will appear on the Treasure NFT Fun interface, ready for interaction. With your wallet connected, you can now fully explore Treasure NFT Fun. Browse through various NFT collections, view item details, and participate in marketplace activities. When you decide to buy or sell an NFT, Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve each transaction. Carefully review the transaction details, including the amount and gas fees, before confirming. Always ensure you understand what you are approving to maintain the security of your digital assets. For optimal security, always disconnect your Trust Wallet from Treasure NFT Fun and other D-apps when you're done using them. This minimizes potential risks. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to your funds. Never share it with anyone and store it securely offline. Be wary of phishing attempts and only use official links. Staying informed and cautious is crucial in the decentralized space. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.